around about Green Motors Private Limited. It's a company that has been launched by 6 guys, and I have Prem Sunny over here who's going to talk about it.
Yeah, I heard about this car called Enviro, and my friends has been talking about it, and they say it's an exciting car, and I can't wait for it because it's been manufactured by 6 entrepreneurs. The manufacturer's company name is Greenleaf Entrepreneur. Green Motors Private Limited. I heard it's a reasonable price, and I can't wait for it.
Okay, hi, I'm in Christ University. There's a lot of buzz going on about the Green Motors Private Limited. It's a company started by 6 entrepreneurs, and I have Adina over here who's going to talk about it.
Yeah, this company, the name itself, you call it like Maruti Suzuki Enviro, and it's environmental friendly. I think so that's the most basic feature, that attracted me. It's environmental friendly, and as a member of the Eco Club, everything, I would definitely prefer this car. And it's really eco-friendly, the features, look at the features. And I came to know that, it's started by this 6 wonderful group of people. The company name is Green Motors, right? So I'm really excited. I think people should just, come and have a look at this car and should definitely, get one.
Go green, get smart.
Okay, so I'm looking for another person to talk about the product. So what's your opinion about it?
I heard about Maruti Suzuki Go Enviro, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's environment friendly, as the name tag says. It's got you guys are generating petrol from water and electricity from that. So I think it's a pretty good idea, brilliant idea, and I know it for sure that it's going to be a hit. So yeah, I'm really excited.
Have you heard about the new product Enviro by the Green Motors Private Limited?
Oh yeah, that Maruti Suzuki Enviro, isn't it? Yeah, I heard about it. It's really nice, reasonable and eco-friendly also. I'm really planning to go for it. I'm planning to be the first customer for this one.
So we have another person who's going to talk about Enviro, the new product from Green Motors. So can you please tell us?
I've heard about the car. I think it's really cool. And as I support green, I think I'm going to buy the car because it's environment friendly and I'm a peace activist. So I think go green, get smart.
Today we've got with us the entrepreneurs of Green Motors Limited. There's a lot of buzz about the new product that they have launched. Let's ask them about their new product.
So basically our new product is called the Maruti Suzuki Enviro. It's basically an environmental friendly car which is packed with new features which are all eco-friendly, and our company Green Motors is made in such a way that it focuses on improving the environment and keeping it environmental friendly. So we'll disclose more about the product on Monday, which is happening at the press conference. So that's it. That's all we can say right now. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we all are here for the inaugural of the Green Motors Private Limited, which is coming up with an innovative product by the name of Maruti Suzuki Enviro in collaboration with Maruti Suzuki India Limited. It's an initiative by 6 promoters who are also the entrepreneurs of the company, driven by the motive of saving the environment and as well as not compromising on the developmental aspect of the country. So I would here like to call in Mr. Shrey Jalani, our Chief Executive, to explain the vision, mission and everything related to our company.
Yeah, so basically our company's tagline is Go Green, Get Smart, and our vision is to launch a product line of environmentally sustainable vehicles in the future. So our mission statement is to make products which are both reasonable and environmentally friendly. And our objectives include, first, to successfully launch our new product Maruti Suzuki Enviro. Second of all, we want our target sales for our first year is 20,000 units, while our the time for our break-even is estimated to be 1.25 years approximately. So basically these are our VMO, and now Mr. Rahul Agarwal, our finance executive, will be talking about the finances of our company.
since we are 6 promoters in the Green Motor Private Limited venture, each of the promoters are pitching in with rupees 1 crore each. The total amount will be amount to rupees 6 crore and the remaining 11 crore will be financed by Maruti Suzuki India Private Limited. The initial investment will also contain a major part of the marketing, HR and contingency reserve. The car will be priced around 4 lakh and the major competitors in the market will be i10 and Honda Brio. Now Kanchan will tell you about the contingency reserve, marketing and HR reserve of the company.
As our partner has already spoke about the different reserves, the first one being contingency reserve. The reserve, we are investing some amount for future contingency. The contingency reserve amount will be invested in equity securities of Jamaican market as we aim at higher return from it, backed by our assets. It will totally be worth rupees 300 crore. The two different reserves are HR and marketing, which would worth rupees 2 crore each, which would be invested in the form of deposits in saving account in banks.
So our major focus would be on the consumers from the working class. So because it's a car price between 4 lakh and to 5 lakhs, that will come on roads in that amount. So our main focus would be like working class. The innovative features about our product is like green leaf technology and solar transmitters. It's like when green leaf technology is like we'll use photosynthesis, this solar technology, photovoltaic cells to generate electricity in the car, and whenever the brakes are applied and the speed of the car goes below 15 kilometers per hour, that comes into play. Or in case of the rainy season, we'll use the dynamos that are fit in the tires of the car, and all the tires are it will be a 4x4 car, and all the tires are moving towards a single direction, so that the motion of the energy would be also towards that direction only. Coming to our engine specifications, our engine would be K10 Alto series with the torque of 48 Nm at the rate of 3500 RPM, and our engine would be it would be 65 PS at the rate of 6800 RPM. Our engine would contain 4 cylinders with each having 4 valves.
Go.
Yeah, so another feature of a car is that 30% of the car is made from recycled aluminium, rubber and we have rubber gas shifters. So this is environmentally friendly as we are recycling aluminium and making the car from that. Also we have GPS tracker. We are installing this new technology where we will install a chip inside the car which will act as a GPS tracker. Now if you go to our website marutisuzukienviron.com, and this chip will have this number, this unique number, and when you enter this unique number into the website, you will get to know the whereabouts of the car. So this is an entirely new thing, except especially in India, and we are doing this with the new car.
We follow a horizontal form of organizational structure. The power is decentralized. We are headed by the chief patron, who is also the chairman of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Then comes a board of directors, which consists of 10 members. 6 of us are the promoters and 4 are appointed by Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Then comes a management subcommittee, under which we have finance department, marketing, HR, PR, technical department and engineering department. The plant is located at Hosur Road, which is also an industrial area, so that we can get cheap labor.
So I'll be talking about the marketing strategies. Since our company Green Motors is focused on improving the environment, we have thought of marketing strategies which are inclined towards saving earth and reducing pollution. So some of the mass advertisement include.
So the main marketing strategy of Green Motors are ad campaigns which showcase the features of our car as well as how it helps reduce the pollution, and which is our unique selling proposition. And these ad campaigns will be broadcast in various channels, YouTube as well as in movie theaters. The another marketing strategy of the company is we are thinking of projecting our promotional video on billboards of different signals and crowded places
of metropolitan
cities. And next next marketing strategy would be, we provide brochures which is green in color. We provide it and distribute in schools as well as colleges, and which talks about the green, the importance of being, improving the
environment and reducing the pollution,
and as well as the features and the things of our car, the features of our car as well. And we're gonna provide a small toy car which is green in color, and as well as a small trees picture in between above it, and we're gonna provide it to the kids which is like primary level of school. So this our strategy is that these kids will take this car home, this toy car home. So this the parents will be aware of, they'll be curious to know what is the car is about. So it may help us to promote our product in public. So these are the main marketing strategies, and
I'll be talking about another of our marketing strategy, which includes a green club which we have formulated, our company basically. So this green club is basically a group of people who would help reduce the pollution and help save our globe. So what we're doing is we are giving this we are giving this offer of whoever enrolls in our club. The 500 first customers who enroll in our club will get a discount on our new product, which is the Maruti Suzuki Enviro. And this green club is an NGO and is tied up with other NGOs which are going to help us in our motive. Another one of our marketing strategies include a marathon which we are calling as the Green Marathon. Now this will basically include major cities which are going to hold these marathons, and in these marathons the marathon runners will wear green t-shirts.
This will be provided by the Green Motors.
Yes, and basically these will promote our car as well as the initiative of saving the environment. All the money which will be collected will go for charity towards our green club as well as our other NGOs which help in reducing the pollution. And we will also showcase blimps which are green in color, which will showcase our car and our motives. So these are basically our marketing strategies.